like to keep it organized. I like it to be the same every single time that I open up Premiere Pro. That way, I know exactly where to grab my clips. I know exactly where I'm gonna modify them. I know where every single thing is.
I'll have hundreds of clips, they'll be completely unnamed, but it is part of the chaos, and I find working in that chaos enables me to create something and think quickly and improvise with footage without it being too planned or too stale.
I keep it neat and tidy so that I can go back and reference things because my brain often gets tired. And so maybe I don't want to work on this anymore. I've been working on it for a few hours and now I want to take a break and come back to it later or tomorrow. And when I've kind of left it neat and tidy, it's easy for me to jump back in.
Personally, I like to be organized, guys. It just makes it a lot easier for me, and I like the fact that Premiere Pro has the ability to sort your clips anywhere from like name, media type, and the fact that you can also arrange your panels so that your workspace is easier for you and it caters to your liking.
So let's assume you're opening Premiere Pro for the first time. It looks the same for everybody, but you can tailor it to fit who you are. So who are you? The chaotic type, the minimalist, methodical, and organized? Optimizing your workspace in Premiere Pro can improve your workflow. You can do that lots of different ways, but what's the most efficient? You can maximize your workspace by creating custom bins to make everything easily accessible, save custom presets that work for you every time, or return to the default layout at the touch of a button. Premiere Pro covers all areas of the post-production workflow, so you can easily switch between assembly, editing, titles, effects, color correction, and even sound. No need to jump from screen to screen. Everything is all in one place. So no matter what kind of content creator you are, Premiere Pro was designed to make your job easier. Let's hear from creators like you.
Your workspace is tailored to you and your personality. So be okay if you want to put something up in the corner that no one else does. If you want to have a giant like audio meters in your workspace, that's okay. You do you. If it makes sense for your brain, then it's the perfect workspace.
Because there are so many different tools in Premiere Pro, you never need all of them in front of you all the time. You want to have the quick ones you want to get the job done and not have to search everywhere.
You can also create your own custom workspaces and custom keyboard shortcuts. So as you begin to evolve as a creator, you can work even faster.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Click the link in the description below to explore more free online professional development and click the link on screen to subscribe to the channel for more videos.